Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be playing SlenderMan Revenge Reborn. So let's go and see what's happening down here. There's tons of... This guy has an hello, I guess? Well, let's just continue. So, what was that? I think it's nothing, don't worry. It says here lights. Let's see. Lights, flashlight, lantern, power LED, flare, glow stick, torch, iPhone, flare gun. I think I'm going to get a flashlight. Players are limited to 2 lights sources. I will save, I guess. So we can click here to run. But I think you can with shift as well. There are morphs, nice. A female chat, and there was a male chat here too. There's a Twitter, and there's animation and settings. OMG! Okay, that was kind of creepy. Well, so let's see what's here. Map spawners. Let's see. There's the construction site, the roads, the radio, random, the school, and the waffle. I think I'm going to go for random. No. How about... Let's go to radio spawn. OMG, what's going on? OMG, is that Slender? I need to go. I know. Okay, I need to run. I'm running. I hope I don't get caught by Slender. I'm not really sure if we need to... I'm not sure if we need to collect any pages or not, or this is just a survival game. I'm really not sure, but we'll see. I don't see any. Okay. Right, so there's a wall here, I guess. I hear sound and footsteps. I think those are mine, but here, did you guys hear that? So creepy, you guys. Let's go and see what's going on. Because I think we need to collect some pages. This is the station. I think we were just there. And I saw Slendy, so I had to run away. What's this place? There's a car. Can I go in? Escape? No. What's this? The Jedburgh Local Cemetery. What's this? Rib Zoidberg? So weird. So is this in an abandoned town? We even have a cemetery thing. See this type of stuff happening. OMG. OMG, that gave me a heart attack. OMG, that was so scary. Oh my god, that was so scary. I didn't like that. I really didn't. So spooky. That was so scary. I was doing just, exploring the whole thing, the whole town, and then that just popped out of nowhere. So guys, I just made my way up on this tower. I'm walking, I'm going, and I'm really scared. So right now I'm just running up the stairs. I hear some very creepy noises. It's getting louder when I go. Ah! So I died again. This isn't funny at all. Alright, well, let's go around and spawn them because... let's go to the school spawn. Yeah. I think this is going to be space. What's so bad about... What's gonna happen? Nothing bad's gonna happen, right? The lights are on still. Why is there a bell? That is so creepy. There's a bell. Like, did somebody turn on the bell or what? OMG! No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Charlie's coming. I'll hide right here. Yes, I'll hide here. I do not like that. No, that isn't my jam. That isn't my jam. And meanwhile, like this video, subscribe and turn on the notification bell if you want more of these videos. Yeah. By the way, if you're wondering, I'm actually I'm on another account, which is called Pisic0. You could friend me on it if you want to, because this is just my alert account, but I just use it sometimes, some creepy videos sometimes, or just check out on potential report, you know? OMG, OMG. If that thing pops up again, I'm going to scream like once again. So creepy. I get scared very easily, like super easily, and I can hear people saying in the chat, Charlie and Kate are both down there. But who are and Kate? So interesting. They're talking and Charlie and Kate from the movie? I think so. I think, my opinion, Charlie was the creepiest. If you saw the movie, comment down below which do you think is scariest, the Charlie or Kate? And in the description below, I'm going to do a question of the day from now on. So I'm going to put the question of the day down there. You could comment down below. You could answer my question down into the descriptions, and tomorrow I will do a pin and a shout out once again if my videos. Hello darkness, old friend. But anyway, right now I'm waiting for this to end because it said Charlie hide. Oh, I'm sorry, life. I'm really scared though. Like, I hear like scream. OMG. I think I hear Charlie. I think I'm going to. No, I hear Kate, I think. Charlie has retreated. Thank God. I'm scared to move though. I think I'll go outside now to see what's going on. But that bell noise, legit, like, I'm so triggered because that's ketchup. Well, whoever spelled that gets to clean it. Yeah. But anyway, I'm really scared, so I think I'm going to start running away now. That is so creepy. Oh yeah, there's more ketchup. Okay. And now we're out of the school, so let's keep walking. What happened? 3-minute intermission. Prepare yourselves. Alright guys, I think that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.